We're back with Daisy. We've actually been here for 15 minutes while everybody's been petting Daisy and telling her how beautiful she is. Anyway, that's our friend's fish market right there. We were coming by to see him. We had to tell him his ex-wife was written out of the show. That's a euphemism for not friends anymore. Anyway, alright, so we're just going to work her around. What I want you to remember, though, is when the leash is on there, we're still using the collar to control the dog. So it's not, even though she's going to be trained off the leash, I want you to think of it, we're always hooking the leash to the electronic collar. And we're using the collar, even though the leash is just going to be incidental at this point. If we need it, we can kind of use it as a guide or whatever, but we want to think of it as we're using the collar to control the dog even when the leash is on there. Not the leash is on now, everything's big difference. Yikes! Anyway, alright, so we're just going to work around. I got the sound box on. Remember, the buzzing sound indicates the pager. And I know you know this, but I don't think I told you this, Sonia, but Chip's owner wanted to know why her collar wasn't making any sound. Sonia's rolling her eyes. People always ask, remember, the sound is just for the video. Daisy! Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. She is a wonder. She's a wonder. Yeah, I forgot to tell you she said that. I think we should maybe have an episode 2 when we get done of Daisy going up the stairs. Because I bet you might have stairs in your house, Drew, and she's probably not that good with the stairs. Daisy. Alright, I'll just go all over here. Foot signal. Kind of lowering my leash down too. Down. Wonder. So we're going to use a thin, light leash, 6-foot leash. And you actually can have a little bit thinner than this, but what you don't want is one of the real thick, double heavy sewn ones. Alright. She's a little wonder. She's a little wonder. You can close it by that Francis. Daisy. Heel. Down. Now, Daisy. Now. So what I did right there, Drew, and I'm sure you could probably hear it when she went away. She tried to kind of run Sonia a little bit. I went tap, tap, tap with the neck and got her to come back. So that's a normal progression of the training. But I went tap, tap, tap. I only had it set on 20. Good girl. Until they try to go away and you can use that to get them back, then they're really never trained. Daisy. Wonderful. Down. Add a little nip right there, too. Our girl will be right back if you see we get her up these stairs. See ya.